how to use your paint your own wand kit to replicate our classic design with a vibrant wand. So before we get started, make sure you go back and check out our unboxing and sanding video that shows you us unboxing everything that you get in the kit and how to prepare your wand before painting. So now we're going to get started. I'm going to take a pot of water and my palette, and we're going to start with putting the base colour. So I'm going to start by taking some white, and then I'm going to mix up sort of turquoisey blue shades. So I'm going to add some blue, maybe some yellow and some green. I'm quite happy with that colour, so I'm going to start painting. And you want to make sure you're doing thin coats. Thin coats will dry better, and you're going to need to probably do two to three base coats. So now I've made 2 coats on the wand, and it's got a pretty good coverage all over, so I'm going to start with the next step. I've cleaned my palette off and cleaned and dried my brush, and we're going to mix up a sort of corally orange colour. So I'm going to start with taking a little bit more white, and then I'm going to take the orangey colour that we've got. One of the reds, we've got 2 reds here. One of them's slightly pinkier, so I'm going to take some of that. And the next step that we're going to do is called dry brushing. I'm going to take the larger brush, and you want to dry it off as well as you can. I'm going to take a little bit of that colour on the brush, and I'm going to get most of it off. Once we've got not much paint on there at all, we're going to move very quickly across the whole wand with this kind of motion. What it's going to do is going to let the colour pick up on all the surface details. So once it's dry, the next step that we're going to do the same dry brushing technique, but this time with gold, and it's just going to add some lovely sparkle across the wand, pick up all the details and make it look really magical. And take a nice clean dry brush and start dry brushing. We also have some other videos which show you how to replicate the dark and the light ones that we do with using the Paint Your Own Wand kit. The kit also includes 12 different paints, so you don't have to do one of our designs. Feel free to let your creative juices flow and come up with your own magical, unique design. Just make sure you tag us so we can have a little look.